Ever wondered how to make your cryptocurrency work for you while keeping it ultra secure? You've probably heard about staking, locking up your digital assets to earn rewards. But if you're serious about security, you're likely using an ELLIPAL hardware wallet. So, the big question is, what coins can you actually stake directly through your trusty ELLIPAL device? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Because let's face it, the peace of mind that comes with cold storage shouldn't mean missing out on the opportunities of the crypto world, and staking is a prime example. We all want to maximize our holdings, but not at the cost of compromising our security. Now, before we jump into specific coins, it's important to understand that ELLIPAL's staking capabilities are facilitated through their companion app. Your ELLIPAL Titan, Titan Mini, or Titan Touch acts as the secure vault for your private keys, while the app provides the interface to interact with various staking protocols. This separation is key to their robust security model. So, which digital assets can you put to work directly within the ELLIPAL ecosystem? Let's break it down. One of the most popular options is Ethereum, ETH. With the merge and the shift to proof-of-stake, staking ETH has become a cornerstone of the Ethereum network. Through the ELLIPAL app, you can typically access various staking providers or pools, allowing you to earn rewards on your ETH holdings without ever exposing your private keys to an online environment. Another significant player in the staking arena is Solana, SOL. Known for its speed and scalability, Solana offers attractive staking rewards. ELLIPAL users can often delegate their SOL to validators directly through the app, contributing to the network's security and earning passive income in the process. Polkadot, DOT, is another prominent blockchain that utilizes staking. Its unique parachain structure relies on DOT holders staking to secure the network. The ELLIPAL app usually provides an easy way to nominate validators and participate in Polkadot's staking mechanism. Beyond these major players, you might also find support for staking other proof-of-stake coins through the ELLIPAL platform. These can include Cosmos, Atom, known for its inter-blockchain communication protocol, and Tron, TRX, a popular platform for decentralized applications. The availability of staking options for these and other coins can sometimes vary depending on updates to the ELLIPAL app and the integrations they have with different staking providers. It's crucial to remember that staking rewards and the specific processes can differ between blockchains and staking providers. Always do your own research, DYOR, on the potential returns, lockup periods, and any associated risks before committing your assets. The ELLIPAL app typically provides information and links to help you make informed decisions, but the ultimate responsibility lies with you. Furthermore, the list of stakeable coins on ELLIPAL isn't static. The team is continuously working on integrating support for more blockchains and staking opportunities. So, it's always a good idea to check the latest version of the ELLIPAL app for the most up-to-date list of supported staking assets. In conclusion, ELLIPAL offers a secure way to participate in the staking ecosystem for a growing number of popular proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, Solana, Polkadot, and potentially others like Cosmos and Tron. By leveraging the security of their hardware wallets and the user-friendly interface of their app, you can earn rewards on your holdings without compromising the safety of your private keys. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.